Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sunday, just a little bit later in the afternoon here. And I thought I'd give you another quick update from National. I saw that Dodge Challenger there. So I thought I'd try and do a quick video of it. Again, there's lots of cars in the returns. And we got one of these Sonata with the sport package on it here. Just back here at National, I noticed this 5-liter Mustang pulled in, so I thought I'd just kind of add a quick clip here. Very similar to the ones in Toronto. And just kind of a couple more in the executive aisle. We got a 300 and a Camry. And if we take a look, this is kind of more the Enterprise National Alamo Reserve here. So we've got one of those cross-country Volvos, another Polestar. We've got a Ford Explorer. And we got a couple trucks down here. Dodge Ram, all black. Oh, we got 2 of these. Oh, those are kind of nice, with a blackout trim. Oh, 3 of them. Blackout trim, a minivan at the end, a bunch of minivans way down at the end. This might be locked. Classic trim. Yeah, sorry guys, it's locked. In the aisle, there's just one more 300 over there. I'll go down the other side. These are marked as Alamo, but again, it's Sunday, so a lot of the cars are just over in the returns coming in here. There's another Polestar on the other side there. Got a Santa Fe, got a Durango, and on the other side over there is Avis, but I think this side is actually still Enterprise. Not too much else to show you down here other than that Polestar. All right. Oh, actually, we got a Golf GTI. Yeah, I don't see these very often, especially up here in Canada. Oh, I don't know if that's a return or if that could be somebody's personal car. I have a feeling that might be somebody's personal car. All right, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.